Hello, and welcome to the presentation of software development lifecycle in a middle-sized software house modeled with demo methodology. Our team project focused on a hypothetical company named Easy Software, which provides consultancy and implementation of software projects on demand. We created the organization construction diagram and identified a total of 16 ontological transactions. As we discussed the analytical part, we identified that the diagram consists of a pre-project part and the main project transaction tree. This tree contains all the software development related activities such as project planning, specification, designing a solution, implementation, quality assurance, documentation, and deployment. We looked a bit closer into two areas, specification and deployment, which both have their own subtrees. I would like to show you the later one in detail. In here, we can see that the main transaction, deployment completion, depends on three other transactions. The executor, a deployment completer, who coordinates the deployment, needs to communicate with deliverable installer, quality approver, and deployment approver in order to make the deployment completion successfully happen. How exactly is that done is described in the process structure diagram. Here again, we focus on the deployment part of the whole process diagram. As we can see, there is a project completer who requests the deployment completion, which in turn requests another three transactions: deployment approval, quality approval, and deliverable installation. They cannot go in an arbitrary order. They have to follow a flow. First, we need an approval of the deployment from someone who is authorized to do that, like a product manager or a customer. So a deployment approval has to say yes, this is to be deployed. Then we can promise that the deployment will actually happen, and we can also promise that we will deliver the installation. Before we do the installation, we want an approval from the quality assurance that says yes, what we want to install has passed the tests. After the installation is done, we can state the deployment completion transaction and finish the pattern. That's all for this quick presentation of software development lifecycle in a middle-sized software house modeled with the demo methodology. Thank you for watching.